AI tools are becoming a natural part of modern business software, as more and more teams now use AI to search for information, generate content, and support everyday decisions. The next logical step is turning AI from an assistant that suggests actions into a tool that can help carry them out, and that is exactly where MCP comes in. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. In simple terms, it's a secure way for AI tools and business software to communicate and work together. In Bitrix24, MCP allows external AI systems to understand your workspace and perform real actions for you. That means AI can go beyond giving suggestions. It can actually help you get work done inside Bitrix24. For example, imagine you're creating a weekly work plan in ChatGPT. Instead of copying everything into Bitrix24 by hand, you can ask the assistant to create tasks with the right names, deadlines, and assignees. The tasks appear in Bitrix24, and you keep moving without breaking your workflow. When it comes to MCP capabilities in Bitrix24, the potential is huge. As we're gradually rolling out this functionality, more and more MCP features will become available. But for now, you can use it in two of our most popular tools, CRM and Tasks. In CRM, MCP can help you find deals, show deal stages, and surface useful information, such as won and lost amounts. In Tasks, you can use MCP to create new tasks, update statuses, assign people, change names, description, or deadlines. We're planning to add MCP connectivity to other parts of Bitrix24, including Calendar, Company Structure, Drive, Messenger, Collab, Work Time Tracking, and more. Getting started with MCP is a rather straightforward process, with one important note. The setup we're about to describe is available only to ChatGPT Plus and Pro subscriptions. It all starts in Bitrix24. Here, as an administrator, you need to enable the option that allows external AI systems to connect to the workspace, which is done in the Settings menu. Next, we switch over to ChatGPT, where we will need to connect Bitrix24 as a new app via a custom MCP server. I know it sounds complicated, but in reality, it all amounts to just a couple of clicks in the right places. Here's how it's done. Open ChatGPT in the browser, click on your profile icon and choose Settings, then Apps, Advanced Settings. There, we turn on Developer Mode, which will reveal a new button, Create App. We go ahead and click on that button to add a new connection. Enter the app name, an optional logo, and the Bitrix24 MCP server address. No need to remember it now. We'll leave a link in the detailed guide in the description of this video. You can copy it from there. Next, check the box confirming the security terms, then click Create. An authorization window will open. Sign into a Bitrix24 account and allow access. That's it! Now Bitrix24 is connected to your ChatGPT and you can ask it to perform various actions in your tasks and CRM. In a ChatGPT conversation, click Plus, then More, and select the Bitrix24 integration. Then type what you want to do. For example, find the task, prepare paperwork, and mark it as important. ChatGPT will process the request, ask for confirmation, and then perform the action in Bitrix24 based on your permissions. Now, let's check if that request was completed as we intended it to. Yep, that's right. The task is now marked important with that little fire icon. So, that's how you connect and use ChatGPT to perform actions inside Bitrix24. Naturally, the list of these actions is really extensive and includes things like assigning tasks, changing deadlines, creating deals, pulling up and summarizing various information, and so on. As for the security concerns, which you may rightfully have, the MCP server connection does not give AI unlimited freedom inside your workspace. Actions happen on request, and access is limited by the permissions you set in your Bitrix24. That means teams can use AI in a practical way while keeping workflows controlled and transparent. MCP in Bitrix24 helps external AI tools work directly with your workspace, so planning and execution can happen in one connected flow. The connection process itself is really straightforward, non-tech, and takes only a couple of minutes to complete. With MCP server connection, you can work with tasks and CRM, reduce context switching, and use AI where it's most convenient for you. This tool is available on all of our paid plans, so if you're in one of them, you can go ahead and test MCP server connection now. If you're new to Bitrix24 or still exploring it on the free plan, consider upgrading. There's plenty of useful tools waiting for you there. And that does it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and good luck!